In this video, I'll show you how to remove the Boost Boast button on Facebook quickly and easily. If you're seeing the Boost option on your profile, it's usually because professional mode is turned on. Let's fix that step by step. First, open the Facebook app and go to the menu section by tapping the three-line icon in the top left corner of your screen. From there, tap on your profile name to open your profile page. Now, tap on the three dots next to the Edit Profile at the top right of your screen. Here, you'll see the option for Professional Mode Settings. Tap on Turn Off Professional Mode. Then, confirm by tapping Continue and select Turn Off. Once this is done, your profile will switch back to a normal personal account. Now, go back and refresh your profile. You should no longer see the Boost Post button on Facebook. Keep in mind, if you're managing a Facebook page, the Boost option is part of Meta's advertising tools and can't be completely removed. That's how you turn off Boost Post option on Facebook in 2026. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more Facebook tips and tutorials.